Hello, I'm
Hello.
calling from CRMOZ. I saw you left the request on our page for the automation for your
Yes,
business.
I left a request on your website about 2 weeks ago, but nobody got back to me. I've already found another
Okay,
company
I'm
that
sorry to
helps
hear
me,
that. So let's schedule a call for tomorrow and we'll discuss all the details there. Plus, I will throw additional 10% off just for you.
No, I'm not interested.
Okay, I'm
Thanks.
sorry to hear that,
Bye.
but maybe we can. Right now, your customer conversations are scattered across 4 different apps. A lead messages you on WhatsApp, another one on Telegram, someone slides into your Instagram, a Viber message you'll see eventually. And none of it, I'm repeating, none of it is in your CRM. So your sales are struggling with 4 phones, copy-pasting into Zoho by hand. And half of it never gets logged at all. What if every one of those conversations lived inside the client's record in Zoho automatically? That's basically what Grono is. Let's be honest about what's actually happening in most sales teams. A client writes on WhatsApp, your sales rep answers on their personal phone. That conversation, the objections, the promises, the yes, send me the quote, none of it touches the CRM. It lives on one person's device. And the day that rep leaves or goes on holiday or just forgets, the context is gone. Multiply that across Telegram, Instagram, Viber, and for salespeople. And you don't have a CRM anymore. You have a very expensive contact list. And the real relationship is happening somewhere you cannot see. The problem was never that your team doesn't message clients. It's that the messaging and the CRM were 2 separate worlds. Grono basically closes that gap. What Grono is? Grono is an extension that brings every major messenger directly into Zoho CRM, Telegram, WhatsApp, Viber, and Instagram, all in one chat panel, right inside the record. And here is the key word, inside. It's not a separate app you switch to. It lives in your leads, your contacts, and your deals modules. You open a client and their entire conversation history is right there, next to their deal amount, their stage, their fields. Everything in one screen. One rep, one screen, every channel. That's the whole idea. How conversations start? Starting a conversation works the way each platform is built to work, and Grono handles all of it natively. On Telegram, you send an invitation link. On WhatsApp, you send an approved template, exactly how WhatsApp Business is designed to work. On Viber, you just start typing. And on Instagram, you connect a business account and pick up the moment client reaches out. What happens next? The client replies and the whole exchange is logged on the record automatically. No copy-paste, no switching apps, no I will update the CRM later. That never happens. And this is the part I really want you to see. If a client messages you from a number that isn't in your system yet, Grono automatically creates a new lead and notifies you the moment it happens. So, an inbound message from a stranger doesn't get lost in someone's inbox. It becomes a lead in your pipeline instantly. Now, this isn't a stripped down text box. Inside the Grono chat panel, your team works the way they already message clients. Everywhere else, text and emojis, media, send files, images, documents, voice messages, and scheduled messages. So you can line up a follow-up to go out at exactly the right moment, instead of hoping you remember. And remember those CRM fields we mentioned? Grono lets you pin the fields that matter most as merge text, right there in the chat. So while you're talking to a client, their key details are one glance away, no jumping back to the record to check the deal stage or the last order. It's all in front of you. A few things that show this was built by people who actually run CRMs. every message is saved. There's a dedicated messages module where your historical and archived conversations are stored, so the record survives long after the chat scrolls away. That's institutional memory your business actually owns. Chats can move between records. Started a conversation on a lead that should really live on deal, move it over. The history goes with it. You control who sees what. Access rights let you assign specific users to specific channels. So your WhatsApp team handles WhatsApp. And not everyone has the keys to everything. And in the deals module, the chat for the contact on the deal is right there while you're working on the opportunity. Conversation and deal side by side. This is what everything in one place actually looks like when it's done properly. So let's talk about the payoff. Think about what changes. Your salespeople stop switching between 4 apps and start working from one screen. Every conversation is logged automatically, so nothing depends on someone's memory or someone's personal phone. Inbound messages become leads instead of getting lost. And when someone leaves the team, unfortunately, the relationship stays with the business. Because it was in the CRM the whole time. That's not a small convenience. That's the difference between a CRM that reflects your customer relationships and one that only pretends to. Grono is built by CRMOZ. We are an official Zoho partner with over 10 years of experience and 700 plus completed projects. So this comes from people who live inside Zoho every single day. If your client conversations are scattered across 4 apps and half of them never make it into your own CRM, this is basically the fix. The link to get Grono is below, and if you want us to walk you through it on your own setup, you can book a free consultation there too. Stop chasing conversations across 4 apps. Bring them home into the CRM, where they actually belong. If this was useful, subscribe. We go deep on Zoho every single week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.